This video is all about new words. Now first word for this video is creep. Meaning of creep is moving forward very slowly and quietly. For example, a cat creep into my kitchen. Small kids creep on their hands. Next word is awake, and the meaning of awake is to wake up. When we wake up, maybe in the morning or any time, we call it as awake. For example, I awake at 7 o'clock. The noise kept me awake all night. Next word is mud, and the meaning of mud is soft, wet soil. Let's take an example. Tom fell into the mud. Oh, Tom is so dirty. Why? Because he fell into the mud. The car was stuck in the mud. As shown in the figure, this car is stuck in the mud. Next word is proud, and the meaning of proud is feeling very happy about something done. For example, they are proud of their new house. I feel proud for getting good marks in my exam. And the last word is stick, and the meaning of stick is to attach or fix something. Let's take an example. I will stick to my storybook. If I love reading story and I read story almost the time, then I will say that I will stick to my storybook. Don't stick to your phone. Sticking to phone is a bad habit and we should avoid it. So what we will say? We say, don't stick to your phone.